Welcome to Study Loop.
The absorbance of a protein was measured to be 0.4 at 280 nanometers. What would happen to the absorbance of the protein if the same amount of protein was added to half the volume of buffer? The absorbance of the sample is influenced by the concentration of the absorbing species and the path length through which the light passes. In this case, the protein is the absorbing species, and the absorbance is measured at a specific wavelength, which is 280 nanometers. When the same amount of protein is added to half the volume of the buffer, the concentration of the protein changes, but the path length remains the same. So the first choice, the absorbance would not change. This is not likely to be true. If the concentration of the protein changes, the absorbance will likely change as well. Absorbance is directly proportional to concentration. The absorbance would double. Not correct. Doubling the concentration of the protein while keeping the path length constant would lead to an increase in absorbance, but it wouldn't necessarily double. So the absorbance would be half. That's the most likely option. If the concentration of the protein is halved, the absorbance is also expected to be halved. This is in line with the Beer-Lambert law, which states that absorbance is proportional to concentration.